How did Thurgood Marshall use law to combat discrimination? How did Thurgood Marshall use law to combat discrimination? This question takes us into the life of a remarkable figure who transformed the legal landscape for civil rights. Thurgood Marshall was a lawyer who believed in using the law as a powerful tool against racial discrimination. He interpreted the Constitution and civil rights laws to ensure that African Americans and other minorities received equal protection and justice. Marshall viewed the Constitution as a living document. He believed it should be applied to protect individuals from deep-rooted inequalities. This perspective was particularly evident in his work on the Reconstruction Amendments, which include the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments. These amendments aimed to secure freedom and equal rights for all citizens, and Marshall argued they should be actively enforced. His legal strategy focused on eliminating racial segregation and discriminatory practices. Marshall took on cases that expanded civil rights, insisting that true democracy requires equal privileges and obligations for everyone. He played a key role in the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People Legal Defense Fund, where he challenged segregation in public schools and restrictive racial covenants. One of his most famous victories was in the case of Brownvs. Board of Education. This landmark decision declared that school segregation was unconstitutional, marking a significant step forward in the civil rights movement. Marshall's arguments laid the groundwork for a more inclusive understanding of civil rights. From a libertarian viewpoint, Marshall's work aligns with the principles of individual liberty and limited government intervention. He defended the rights of minorities against oppressive laws that enforced discrimination. Marshall emphasized that the Constitution protects individuals from government actions that deny equal rights. This perspective resonates with the libertarian belief that government should not infringe on personal freedoms. Marshall's legal advocacy demonstrated how the law can secure personal freedoms by holding governments accountable. His work showed that protecting liberty involves challenging laws that restrict rights based on race. By promoting justice and equality, he contributed to a society where government power is limited to upholding the rights of all citizens. Marshall's legacy continues to inspire those who fight for equality and justice today.